Hello dear students, welcome you all in the online classes. Our topic is transformation of sentences. In our previous video, we have done the transformation of sentences having adverb to. Today we will do the just opposite of the type of one which we have done in our previous video. We have seen that how the sentences having adverb to will be changed by replacing the word so, and we have to just care to be note one thing: the tense of the subordinate class must follow the tense of the verb in the main class. Today we will do the just opposite of that type which we have done in our previous video. Now today we will see that how the negative will be changed in affirmative. For example, suppose there is a sentence: he is so weak that he cannot walk. Now this sentence is which we have done in affirmative by removing to. We have seen that how we will remove this adverb to by so. Now here we have to just apply the just opposite of to place the adverb to. Okay, now this is negative. Now we have to make affirmative. What we have to do? We have to just take care. Now here he is so will be replaced by to, adverb to, TOO. Weak is to weak to walk. And when you will be asked to transform this sentence in negative by removing the adverb to, we have seen in our previous video that how it will be replaced by the word so. Okay, so he is so weak that he cannot weak. And when you will be asked to make the affirmative of this negative sentence, you have to just he is and so will be replaced by to, adverb weak to walk. Now let's see one more example. The bag was so heavy. The bag was so heavy that I could not carry it. Okay, once again this sentence in negative. You have to keep remember, we are just doing the opposite of the affirmative of the sentences having to. Okay, having adverb to, which we have done in our previous video. We are just doing the opposite of that kind of sentences. Now here what you have to do, you have to simply, the bag was, क्या हो जाएगा? The bag was. Now here so will be replaced by adverb to. The bag was so heavy for me to carry. Did you get the point? I hope you all understand. Let's see with one more example. This sum is so difficult that one cannot solve it. Once again negative. Now we have to make the affirmative of this sentence by replacing so using the word TWO. Now see this sum is, now so will be replaced by adverb to difficult to solve. I hope you all understand. Thank you.